What's up, YouTube? This your boy DBOY.KINGOFKINGZ. I'm getting at you for this audio upgrade I did a little while back, but I never took the time to show you how it sounds. You know, like see how far back I can hear it. Because you know, with them stock speakers, you can't really hear it. You can hear it when you're riding on the street, but as soon as you get on the freeway, you can hear something. You just can't hear what's being said. You can't hear, you know, all you hear is some noise. And it definitely ain't loud. So the stock system sucks. But I upgraded these 6s to some, I took the stock speakers out, put some Cicada 6.5s in there. I got upgraded my lids to have the cutout with the grill. I got some Cicada 6x9s. And then I got some 10-inch Cicada woofers inside the bags. A 1600 watt Cicada amp for the highs, for the lows, excuse me. And a 600 watt Cicada amp for the highs. You can't see the tins because they got this liner over it, and the liner is so that the tins don't blow out the 6x9s. But let me get to it. I got a song that shouldn't have no copyright, so you ain't gonna recognize it. See, it's a little delay for the woofers to kick in, but I'm sure you heard them kick in.
Last week I got the bag snatched. I had to shake it off, had to bounce back. Sent the cookie out of state, trying to double that. Just to show them that I'm mean with the bubble back. $2,000 fig got me so clean. Syrup in the cup, so the lean mean. Bitch, all my niggas ballin' like the dream team. And I don't need the pussy, that's the screen team. She smell the sherbet in the rock. Now she wanna get me drunk. But I ain't giving up, bitch. Not until the pack's in. Acrobatic with the work, man. I make a pack. Triple seal with the pack, man. I never leave a cent. If it's out of state packs, then I'm the guy. I know to put wings on them, let them fly. I pull up to the house in that U-Haul truck. I ain't moving out, I'm moving in, I'm filling it up. With what?
This about 50 feet right here.
At least 7 P's, I never lived there. That's one of my growing spots. I switch them up every 6 months before I get hot or get knocked. That's what's not gonna happen. Now I'm out here with cookies, big mel, I'm stacking. First thing when I wake up, I check on my plans, thinking about the day that I turn them into bands of stacks. Well, then a couple of racks. Once they get out on the streets, niggas call them out packs. Got a steady clientele on my possession of sales. It's like a paper route nigga or delivering man. With the mail coming to me, dishing out paper, I might be a
That's about 100 feet right here. It's about 150 feet. I got my helmet on and I can hear it good. $200 feet. about 250 feet right here. I don't want to walk all the way to the end of this parking lot, but 250 feet. My song is ending, and I don't know if the next song might have some copyrights, but this song right here, no copyrights. I own it. But yeah, that's my upgrade. Cicada audio.